Ciao, welcome to Beatspot, and this video is a follow-up to my Jaycen Joshua NLS channel trick whatever video, and that's because I messed up, and I noticed that because someone commented under my video and told me that I was using the wrong plugin. So I just checked it and they were right. So now let's just dive into it. So in my initial video I used the NLS'd channel, and I noticed, I just went through the original video with Jaycen Joshua explaining the plugin, the technique, and he was using the NLS'd bus. So does it make a difference? It does. Now let's see if it's better, if it's worse, how it changes. So this is the NLS'd bus. And this is something worse, that's kind of obvious, and I set all the plugins the same way as the original video, so with everyone at 0.5 with drive, same order of the plugins, and also the 2dB trim on the 5th instance. However, in the Jaycen Joshua live stream, I just checked it out again and found out that the drive was at 0 in each of the 8 instances, and same for the trim. So now let's listen to how it sounds. It sounds way worse because I don't know why, probably the 2dB trim was enough to not squash the whole sound into the latter instances of the NLS. Then there's another version, which is the exact same as Jaycen Joshua, which is the exact same chain, but with the noise enabled. And I noticed that each of these NLS bus instances had the noise on. So now let's listen to how it sounds. So it sounds a little brighter, but however, the transients are really messed up. And with this video, I want to say that I really don't like this technique, whether it's with the NLS channel or the NLS bus. And the NLS channel sounds better, but with the dual mono thing that you can just see here, dual mono. So this is it for this video. I already explained my reasons in the previous video that you can find somewhere here or there, and see you in the next one.